Storage full error in Solitaire cache usually means your device does not have enough available space for the app to operate normally, or the app stored data needs attention. By the end, you'll know how to check your available storage, clear unnecessary files, and troubleshoot Solitaire cache without immediately deleting the app. Start with your device storage, not Solitaire cache. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage. On Android, open Settings, then Storage. Check how much space is available, and look for apps, videos, photos, downloads, or other files using most of the storage. If your storage is nearly full, remove files you no longer need. Large videos and downloaded media can take up substantial space, so check those categories first. If your phone provides a built-in recommendation tool for freeing storage, review the suggested items before deleting anything. Next, check Solitaire cache itself. On Android, open Settings, select Apps. Choose Solitaire cache. Then open Storage or Storage and Cache. If the option is available, use Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without using the same process as clearing the app's stored data. Do not choose Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you know your Solitaire cache login details and understand what that option does. Clearing app data can remove locally stored information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there is no equivalent general Clear Cache button for every app. Instead, check the iPhone storage page for Solitaire cache and review the storage options provided by iOS. If you decide to delete and reinstall the app, make sure your account information is available first. After freeing storage, restart your phone and open Solitaire cache again. A restart gives the operating system a chance to refresh its available resources before you test the app. You should also check the App Store or Google Play for a Solitaire cache update. If an update is available, install it before testing again. Then check your phone's operating system update settings and install any available update that your device supports. If the storage error appears even though you have plenty of free space, note exactly when it happens. Check whether Solitaire cache fails during startup, while loading a game, or when accessing a particular feature. That detail can help determine whether the problem is device storage or an app-specific issue. The quickest fix is to check device storage first. Remove unnecessary files, clear the Solitaire cache on Android if available, restart the device, and update the app. If the error continues after that, contact Solitaire cache support and provide your device model, operating system version, app version, available storage, and the exact storage message you see. If this fixed the error, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.